let's get this straight. I don't like videos. I don't like talking in front of a camera. I'm, for all intensive purposes, incredibly shy. But my son has decided that the Judsons need to do a family vlog. And so that vlog starts today. The first place we're going to go is to Hesketh Farm Park, just on the outskirts of Skipton. You can come along with us for the day. If you like it, give us a like, give us a subscribe. I'm sure he'll want to do more videos soon.
If you actually want a video to go to in the farm park, we will tick off and make another video at the farm.
So, in the car, ready to go. Are you ready, Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Right.
We are going to Hesketh.
We'll see you when we get there. You excited? So we're here, aren't we?
Yes.
Where are we?
Hesketh. We're going farm. Okay, let's go.
Hello, my friend. Now, we've just witnessed a cow doing a massive wee. Now, those earrings are the best earrings I've ever seen. It's cow fashion. Oh, baby pigs. Daddy pig. Baby pigs. Daddy pig. Look at the size of him. He's ginormous. He ain't heavy. He's my brother. Hello.
He's so cute.
What's your name?
Pin.
I've just actually seen what looks like the happiest pig alive. He's so happy. Woohoo! Yeah. Woo! There's no one down here. You know what that means? It means we've got the place to ourselves. How am I supposed to get through?
I'll come and rescue you.
How?
Oh dear.
I'll have to go the long way round. I don't think those are going to be wipeable. You're still going to get a wet butt. Which is alright, because in Henry's world, wet butts are okay. Wet butt, we don't mind. Oh, gosh darn it. I'm gonna have to join him. It's not something I'm particularly looking forward to. I'm gonna have such a wet butt. Yep, I was right. I have a wet butt. It's soaking. This is not my idea of Sundays. Daddy's breakdown service. Pass.
Thanks for rescuing me.
In the swamp. You're like an explorer. What an adventure. I thought I'd seen pretty much most animals possible in this day and age. I'm 30 odd years old. I've been around the world a little bit. I've seen a load of animals, but what the heck is that? That's no ordinary sheep. Look at its jawline. Now somebody had a little bit of an accident, didn't they? What happened?
I just fell in the water.
We fell in the swamp. How long have we been here? 10 minutes?
Yes.
Yeah, 10 minutes and we've fallen in the swamp. Look up and give us a smile. Right, so just a little bit of information about Hesketh Farm. It is £6.50 for a child, £6 for an adult, so not too expensive. They do all kinds of things: calf feeding, egg collecting. You can brush and feed the donkeys and cows. You can feed the lambs. They do that multiple times throughout the day, so there's lots of different things to do. They have go-karts, inside tractor rides, and you can ride a tractor through the field. We have to plant something in the fields.
Yes.
What we have to plant? Whoa, don't do donuts in a tractor. That's crazy. And we're driving on our second tractor, 'cause we're from Yorkshire and it's what we do. And one of the many, many things you can do here is sit on an inanimate tractor and pretend to drive. Just hanging with my friend Clucky. Hi Clucky. Count to 24, okay. Go hide. I am in my head. Is this classed as cheating? He's never gonna find me in here. Never gonna find me in here. Oh, he found me.
Whee!
Oh, it's like a challenge trying to climb up. Is he gonna make it? Is he gonna make it? Is he gonna get to the top? Oh no, he's slipping. Yay! He got there. Woohoo! Wait a minute, he's coming back down. Ah! In case you hadn't already realised, there is also a sandpit. Ideal for those wet, rainy days out in Yorkshire. Are we looking for buried treasure?
No,
No, what are we making?
I'm trying to dig a gigantic hole to put and fill it with water.
We're making a pond.
Yes.
Yay, we're making a pond.
Whoa.
Looks like a great trench, mate, but we're almost an avalanche. Oh, not your hands. Oh no, sandy hands. Right, we're finally back from Hesketh Farm. We're warm, we're dry. We hope you'll join us on our next video.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.